Okay, here is the Tarot Divination Society Book Nook. Decorate your own home. This is going to be 23 by 18 by 11 centimeters, which is 9 inches tall, 7.08 inches deep, and 4.33 inches wide. It's recommended for 14 and up. It gives you the manufacturer address. Okay, let's open this guy up. Okay, it's just a white box. Okay, this one has some glue. Assuming that's glue, can't read it. Tweezers, electronics. Okay, here's some little pieces. Okay. Hourglasses and little glass bottles. Okay, this is plastic wrapped. We have some thicker acrylic, thin piece of plastic, some paper that we have to cut out. Open this guy up. Thickness. Then the last thing in the box is the assembly manual. Again, it's recommended for ages 14 and up.